Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make half circle line in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer, then select the shape ellipse tool. Press enter. First of all, use circle with fill. Then secondly, insert with line. Okay. Hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Okay. Press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Select the first and half. Second, again click the shape without fill, use only stroke. Increase the stroke line size. Okay. Select the selection tool and use half. Click another. Apply the same formula. Perfectly half size. Great. And press Ctrl T. Added the grid positions. Then okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.